kicking off Dealer Congress 2026. This is an event hosted by Garden Light LED that entails developing your business. There is some marketing training involved and lots of hands-on training, including spotlight installation, path light, core drilling, mounting transformers, basically giving you all the tools that you need to grow your business and develop new leads and landscape lighting.
This is my first time here. I'd come again.
It's awesome.
Everybody's been talking. We're all on the same page, that it's totally been worth our time. It's incredible.
I would totally recommend coming to the conference.
This is amazing. I like that I've gotten to get my hands dirty a bit, dig some trenching, actually make some lighting connections, and I'm excited to go put it into like real life.
It's a great way to learn about the products. They've been really good. They've taken great care of us. It's been awesome.
The sales process, it's been great. The entire team is amazing.
It's great for anybody who needs to really get that boost of confidence with some hands-on learning.
The quality, I don't know if you can see any here, but the quality is fantastic, and they're easy to install. I mean, you screw them in and hook the wires up, and it's done.
We're learning about core drilling right now. Everybody's taking turns and learning how to line it up the right way.
Again, I'm excited to go back to Jacksonville, take these sample kits and generate sales.
We feel like we're coming away with a ton of valuable tools to really expand and grow and build our business.
Absolutely love being here with other installers.
This was definitely a pleasant surprise that it's like smaller, more intimate group. Like I've gotten to know like several of these people personally.
Oh, definitely. I would recommend anyone that wants to check Garden Light out.
It's incredible, and just seeing like the passion and like the people here that are teaching you.
We learned a lot today, so it's pretty cool. You should come and check it out.
Get to know products, learn how to efficiently put in our products.
And I highly recommend anybody trying to get into the lighting space comes to the Garden Light Dealer Congress, because you're going to sell more lights if you do so.
Camaraderie that starts to build with the guys that you're sitting with, and you're starting to feel like inspired, like, hey, yeah, I can do this.
The service and the team behind it, I love that it's a family-run and grown business.
It's been really special. I would definitely recommend this, to any installer.
The product is far and above everything else I've ever used. So thank you to Garden Light for having me.
Also, the salespeople and it's family owned and operated is just awesome. You can't find that, and these Chinese things that you buy aren't going to be like that. You don't know who you're getting them from, where they're made. They're made here in Florida. The engineer had a project that I wanted to show him. I showed him a picture, and he's like, yeah, take me some photos, take me some measurements, bring it to me, we'll build you a plan. And no hesitation. And the eagerness to do that and to help, that's outstanding. I don't think you can find that anywhere else.
Great people, it's a great community to be a part of.
The experience is great, and you're going to get tons of knowledge from it.
Very excited, extremely worth it. We're grateful for being able to be here.
I'm telling you, it's a wow. When you look at it, it's like a wow.
Today we are wrapping up Dealer Congress 2026. The event has been a complete success. We had 30 attendees fly in from all over the country that had such a valuable experience and learned lots of hands-on training. If you have not heard of Dealer Congress before or have not attended one before, I highly recommend looking out for future events at gardenlightled.com.